delete it.
Okay. Like these, okay, you understand. This is like extra data we need to delete extra.
Right. Yes, sir. I was fooling around with it, looking at the capabilities and also trying to get comfortable with Notion and how it works. And so it's just extra stuff. There's nothing in there. You can delete all that.
Mhm. Okay. And in second, we need to add these quick links, like similarly this.
I would prefer that. Yes.
Mhm. Okay, all right. So my last question is that I want to show a Word file, then share my question in my mind. So yeah, in Word file, this is 79 page. So this is
Hmm.
like this is max data. I cannot like identify proper according to my thought. Like, can I set up from this like the credit report life cycle? This is one module. Like I need to set up in one module section, uh,
Yes.
and
Well,
from
that's
here. Mhm,
right. That's the overview. So the first module would actually be, uh, let's see.
mhm. Like, can I like I need to even suppose this is first module. So can I need like copy this course
Oh, yes.
overview?
Yeah, 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 yeah. You can copy it. Yeah, you can copy and paste. Yes, sir.
Okay, thank you. And like this
Sure.
is so okay. Just listen me my thought. Uh, this is first module. I need to set up this module in Notion first module. After that, then I need to start second module from here, like USA credit reporting agencies. Can I start this from in second module?
Yes, 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 yes.
Yes, okay. By the way, overall, I will set up in my thought with my experience.
Okay.
Okay, okay. Just I have a last question. Just one.
You don't have to rush. I'm fine.
Um, okay, just 1 second. Definitely, I appreciate your support and your quick
Oh,
response.
sure. I'm gonna, I'm moving over to my tablet.
Mhm. Like similarly, this I will create similarly around 6 to 8 module. Like first module lesson, like what is credit report, I will set up here. Like
Oh, I
I
love that.
open this, and by the way, in starting I will set up here like tag date file media. You can add here put video or something, and status like this course is start in progress done something.
Yes.
Then in here summary, I will copy the first module data and paste here with proper color scheme,
Mm-hmm.
theory, etc. And by the
Mm-hmm.
way, here in I will create a database similarly this
Okay.
here, so you
Love it.
easily. Mhm. So this is
Love it.
over.
Yeah.
Thank you. This is overview in my thought. So just give me 1 day more. I will set up overall.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
Thank you. Thank you.
I
Nice
love
to
what I
talk.
see. Can I see the dashboard one more time, please?
I, okay. I am doing it, no problem because I want to work with my client as a long term.
Can I, s- can you show me the dashboard again, please?
Okay. 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 Just 1 second. I am going to show screen again. Just 1 second. This is your. I am set up this dashboard.
Mm-hmm.
Yes, similarly, this I have set up this, yeah, like just 1 second. Like similarly, this first is the
Mm-hmm.
uh, introduction, video introduction. Then I will create again review, and I will set up according to same color theory. I will set up
Very nice.
around 6 to 8, and I will add here is like quick links, etc. According to like similarly this, like similarly this.
Mm-hmm.
Yes. This is
I like that.
overall. Mhm. Thank you. Thank you.
Instead of the pink and blue, um, can we just do the white background? Do you think?
This is not looking good already. I want you already in my side. I going to
Hmm.
change. Yes, just 1 second. I am going to change other like sim. I try to. Can you see? No, I have changed the background banner.
I like that. That's nice.
But this is not nice because they are looking not HD. But I try to. So if you
Try to
allow.
reduce it.
Hmm. By the way, the banner is not good. White group background banner is not good. Then I change the color theory like blue. But
Hmm.
and this is not. I am not satisfied in my
Okay.
mind.
I
Yes.
would like it small. Yeah, I would like to see the words better. I agree. I
Mhm,
do like the color though. I like that blue background.
mhm. By
That's
the
nice.
okay,
Hmm.
if you allow me, I will design it in my site. Then I will upload it.
Okay. Okay.
Okay.
I'll let you be you're a professional, so I'll let you do what you're doing best. I really like what I see so far, and
Mhm.
we're on the same page. This is what I'm looking for.
Okay, thank you. When I will complete this overall, then we will conduct again Zoom call. I will describe
Okay,
everything.
I
So,
appreciate that.
okay. Thank you,
Thank
ma'am.
you so
So,
much. I appreciate you.
okay, all right.
Tell me how to pronounce your name again.
My name is Ahmad.
Edmund. Okay.
Eh,
Oh, okay. It looks like the way that it's set up on Fiverr, it looks like Edmund is your last name.
yes, yes. Ijaz Ahmad. Ahmad is my nickname.
Ah, got it. And you can call me Leslie. Please call me Leslie.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Take care. Bye bye.
Thanks, Ahmed. See you later.
Welcome.
Bye.
Welcome. Bye bye.